So I haven't been filming much over the last week or so. Pretty much the only footage that I've gotten was when Matho swapped his commie ute for an rb30 patrol, and we cut the exhaust off it, took it out in the bush, and so I've just got a whole bunch of footage from that. And I also have this. I went and picked up a 5 litre Holden motor 304 just because it was a good deal. Complete motor and come with engine covers and everything. Oof, camera focus. Come with engine covers and everything. Yeah, pretty clean in here. I don't have a torch, but you get the idea. It's pretty fucking clean. Pretty good. And yeah, I mean, it's been sitting, but it's been sitting with oil on it and grime on it. So if you see back here, it's that's how it's been sitting. It was I picked it up off some bloke who had it in his Chop 60 series winch truck. And well, not this motor, but he was running 5 litres in his Chop 60 series winch truck. And this was his spare race motor. And it just sat in his garage. And apparently he flipped it 5 years ago, 10 years ago or something, and apparently he bought this 15 years ago for it, and it has been sitting in the shed ever since. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. So yeah, I don't know what my plans are with this. I'm going to do it up, rebuild it. Apparently it's a factory clearanced block for a 355 stroker. Old mate said don't quote me on it, but that's what he bought it as. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that or put it in just yet. I have my LS sitting over here waiting for me to rebuild the heads at work, and I need to get more bolts to put this on the stand because I winged it and tried to buy bolts yesterday when I bought bolts to put the 5 litre on the stand, and they're just the slightest little bit different. I've only got one that's long enough. It's really giving me the craps, but whatever. See, that's long enough, but look how these are the bolts I got, and that's what I'm working with. I didn't know what I was I didn't take this in. I probably should have. I didn't even know that I was going to be buying bolts, but whatever. I'll just get it another time. Yeah. So, anyways, I don't have a whole lot of footage, but we're leaving for halfway today, so there's going to be heaps more coming. But yeah, got a new 5 litre and enjoy all this rb30 ripping in the bush.
Go back a little bit, you're gonna have to get back. that in my fucking 2U with the maroon on it.